Are you looking for used engines for sale in Florida? Tired of making phone calls, sending emails, or driving to salvage yards only to end up empty-handed? Let Engine Finder help you find a quality used engine from a network of junkyards in Florida. With one simple form submission made from our website, you will instantly contact our network of junkyards and auto wreckers. Once they reply with pricing, simply choose the best quote. Whether you own a car or a pickup or need a diesel engine or a gasoline engine, we are here to help you find quality used engines quickly and easily. Click the link below to visit our website and to start getting quotes from our supplier network.